Hello friends. So we'll see, where does chess stand in India today? Definitely it's a growing sport, but it is restricted to certain states as of now. It demands the change in the pedagogy of schools, which needs to shift towards vocational education and practical skills as enumerated or pointed under the National Education Policy 2020. Again, we miss on dealing with the mental pressure on the students, which in itself begins from school. So schools needs this aspect also when it comes to, for example, counseling the students or simply dealing with the mental pressure. It is a crucial element of the demographic dividend or the human resource or the human capital that we talk about. This should be a core part. And also at the same time, we need to encourage participation of more girls and females in different sports. Do we see it as a career? So this requires attitudinal shift on the part of parents, on the part of society. Thank you so much for joining us on this video. Meet you with a new topic in the next video.